Why in the should you listen to me? Check this out. We might need some kind of little pop. Tomorrow, this thing could get vigorous to the downside, which would mean we would see yields raising quickly to the upside. I'm not making this channel to prove, oh, I'm always right. Of course, there's times where I'm wrong, but I'm actually making this channel because out of all the bad shit that's happening in my life, stocks is the one thing that I'm truly interested in all the time. And I want to share that passion with you by helping you learn so you can end up trading and doing things and getting out of that 9-to-5 job that you've always been working for, putting your money in something that will grow over time so you can buy a house. That's what I want to do on this channel. And I'd love for you to join me every day, giving you guys some breakdowns so that we can all be successful.